Welcome back, smart shoppers! Today on Buy Smart, we've got a 3D printer showdown that's hotter than a filament at 300 degrees Celsius. In the left corner, we have the ELEGOO Saturn, and in the right corner, its beefier cousin, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus. Let's dive in and see which one deserves your hard-earned cash. Alright, let's talk about the first thing that makes or breaks a deal: price. The Saturn comes in at a wallet-friendly $399. Meanwhile, the Neptune 4 Plus is priced at $599. That's right, folks, for the price of a Neptune 4 Plus, you could almost get 1.5 Saturns. But before you go thinking the Neptune 4 Plus is a money-grabbing monster, let's see if it's worth the extra dough. Next up, printing speed. The Saturn boasts a respectable 70 millimeters per hour, which is like driving a reliable family sedan. But the Neptune 4 Plus? It's like strapping a rocket to your project, 500 millimeters per second. That's faster than my morning coffee run. Just remember, with great speed comes great responsibility, or at least the need for rapid filament, because regular stuff might just melt under the pressure. Let's talk build volume. The Saturn offers a decent 218.88 millimeters by 122.88 millimeters by 250 millimeters. It's perfect for those medium-sized projects or a bunch of miniatures. The Neptune 4 Plus, on the other hand, is like the Hulk of 3D printers, with a whopping 320 millimeters by 320 millimeters by 385 millimeters. You could practically print a small village in one go. If size matters to you, the Neptune 4 Plus is the way to go. Quality is king, right? The Saturn's got the COB Plus FCLS light source and a 12K LCD screen, which gives you sharp, realistic details. It's like looking at a model through an HD TV. But the Neptune 4 Plus? It's got input shaping, pressure advancing, and sensors for automatic calibration. It's like having a robot butler fine-tuning every detail. Both give you stunning print quality, but the Neptune 4 Plus might just edge out with those added bells and whistles. Now, let's talk about what these bad boys can handle. The Saturn is great with standard resins, but the Neptune 4 Plus? This beast can handle PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and even nylon thanks to its 300 degrees Celsius high temp nozzle. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. If you want versatility, Neptune 4 Plus is your go-to. Finally, user experience. The Saturn comes with VoxelDance Tango slicing software and 3 printing modes. It's like having a dance partner who really knows their moves. The Neptune 4 Plus, however, offers Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN connectivity. It's basically the extrovert of 3D printers, always connected and ready to go. Plus, with its dual-gear direct drive extruder, it's like having a personal chef for your filament. Reviewers have a lot to say about both of these 3D printers. The ELEGOO Saturn is praised for its ease of use, high-quality prints, and excellent customer service. However, some users report intermittent issues with the printer's functionality and problems with the Z-height calibration. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is lauded for its fast print speeds, large build volume, and versatility with different filament types, although it does come with some setup and maintenance challenges. Despite a few technical problems, many users find it worth the investment for its advanced features and print quality. So smart shoppers, which one should you buy? If you're on a budget and need reliable quality, the Saturn is your friend. But if you've got cash to burn and want speed, size, and versatility, the Neptune 4 Plus is your new best buddy. Either way, you're getting a great 3D printer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you next time!